Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Leos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Leos. If you want more clarity, Leos, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship and this is for your career situation, guys, Leos. So let's start with these cards. We have Page of Earth, Ten of Fire, and Love. So, in your circumstances today, guys, in your work or in your relationship, you are, moving towards some kind of a partnership in your life, maybe in your relationship, or it may be in your work, some good friendship. It's turning into some business partnership, or you are collaborating in your work, maybe in your work situation, guys. So, some kind of positive change is what I see. You have that cheerfulness, happiness to work with this person, and you are happy to share your knowledge and your experience, your talents with this other person. So you are really flexible working together and giving and receiving in your situation. So it may be the circumstance in your relationship or in your work situation, guys. And you are committed to your dreams and goals. So you are working hard. You are a very dedicated person, Leos. So whatever it takes, you are trying to do that. And you are a very, a practical person. You know what will work for you. And you are making the right efforts and the right steps towards success, taking the right steps towards success. And that may be the reason you are seeing the results for all that hard work you have done till now. So your efforts are truly paying off today, guys. So maybe in your career, you may be seeing positive changes happening in your life, something that gives you happiness, and it is showing the way for greater success and happiness for you today, guys. And maybe in this relationship today, guys, Leos, with this person you love, you are stepping towards the dreams that you have. Maybe you want marriage or engagement with this person, and you are seeing that happening, unfolding in your life, guys. And maybe for some of you, you may have, too many responsibilities on your shoulders, guys. So maybe you are thinking and planning what is the thing that is going to give you, success or the result. So you are taking up that and releasing all those that you are not, seeing results. So maybe you are trying to be more present with this person spending time with them, maybe. So you are trying to do the things that you truly want to do in your work, guys, not going and doing everything. So few paths, it may not give you success. So you are avoiding that. You are trying to free yourself. So clear the way. Maybe you want a more, what to say, a deeper connection with this person. And you're trying to find time for yourself, guys. Clearing the way for this relationship, maybe for some of you guys, Leos. So for your relationship, we have Queen of Act. So with this card, guys, it just means that you have your own likes and dislikes, just like that. This person also has that. And maybe today you are setting that clear boundary. So, whatever you like and dislike, or what this person, and what will be the most harmonious way to be in this connection. You know that clearly today, guys. And you want to have a clear communication with this person. And you are having that. That may be the reason this relationship may work for you. So, you both have a clear strategy, and you are, what to say, being really honest with yourself. So, whatever you like or whatever you dislike, you are letting this person know. So, that is what I see with these cards, guys. For your career situation, Leos, we have Tower. So there are some changes happening in your work situation. It may be something drastic, something unexpected, and even painful. But these changes are necessary to bring something positive in your future, guys, something surprising. So some good positive change is clearing the way to come towards you. So that may be the reason you are seeing these changes, guys. So unexpected events maybe, but it is something offering greater opportunities in your work situation, Leos. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Leos, thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the Pick a Card Love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds. Okay, guys. So for those who chose this first card, let's see what is the card. We have the Wild Swans, dedication. So in your circumstances, guys, for your love or the concern you have on someone, you are sacrificing a lot, or you are doing everything possible in your capacity, trying your best, doing your best to help this person, help them come out of some difficulty. But you are someone who has a strong willpower and determination. You are doing it by yourself in silence. You are facing all the obstacles or difficulties today all by yourself for the love you have for this person. But they may not understand that. They are not aware of it even for some of you. And this may even look like a madness on your part, maybe the people around you. They may feel that you have a mad dedication, something, a very unexpected level of that single-mindedness towards this task or towards this mission, that you're doing everything, sacrificing so much. Maybe you are in this situation, guys, and maybe people feel really hostility in their hearts towards you. But whatever you face today, guys, whatever difficulties it may be, there may be a lot of pain you are having, there may be too much you are doing on your part, but whatever it is, you are going to heal, and there is a great breakthrough coming in your circumstances. So circumstances are not going to go in the same way forever. There are great changes, beautiful positive changes coming in your life very soon, guys, and people will appreciate your single-minded dedication and your helpful, kind nature, and people will know the truth, and they will truly appreciate you for whatever you have done for this person you love, guys. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, it is mending. So with this card, the energy is that maybe in your situation, in your circumstances today, this may be the time for understanding and letting go of that unwanted burden in our life. So when we feel really hurt or sad or angered by some situation or by someone, we keep ourselves chained to that person or that situation, guys, instead of healing ourselves. So if we want to heal ourselves and move forward in our life, the way to do that is through mending our situation. And forgiveness is the best way to do that. So separate or together with your person you love. Maybe even if you are in separation, you both are experiencing the effects of hurt that is impacting everything you do. So even you may not be aware of it, but it affects whatever you do, and there is some kind of a negative energy you are having in your heart today. So that needs to be cleared. So how to do that? So closing your heart may not be the answer today, guys. So if you want to heal this wound, what you need to do? So you need to forgive this person who has hurt you and forget and move on. But if you feel that you are the one who has hurt them, you must truthfully, in your heart of hearts, apologize to them. Maybe if you can do it directly, then it is well and good. Maybe if you cannot, in your heart of hearts, you can honestly make redress, honestly say the words that you are sorry for them, sorry for what has happened, and that will bring a change in your heart, guys, a positive change, and only goodness will come out of forgiveness. And that is what this card is about, and that is the way you are going to set yourself from the chains that are holding you back today, holding you in the sadness and pain. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So thank you guys for watching. If you like this reading, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.